Ever wonder where baking soda is from? Well, it's from here, in the middle of nowhere, Colorado. On the west slope, an hour away from Rifle, about 2,000 feet underground, here are deposits of nacolite, a crystal that is made of sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda in North America. To mine it, the plant pumps a hot brine underground into the deposits. The baking soda dissolves in the fluid and is brought back up to the plant where it is cooled and small crystals start to form. The brine is then dewatered, and what is left is a wet cake. And the water brine solution is then heated up again and reused, being pumped into the deposits. The wet cake is then put through a centrifuge, pretty much a fast spinning dryer, till it is 95% baking soda. Then it is dried to get out the remaining moisture. From there, it is screened and packaged and sent out to downstream customers, like commercial bakeries. So next time you see baking soda, think of the middle of nowhere, Colorado. If you're a fan of Colorado and the surrounding area, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel. I upload new videos every Saturday. You can support this channel by liking or sharing the videos that I make. You can also purchase Colorado merchandise and prints, link in the description below.